Hello everyone. Hey, what do you think of this chest? It's big, isn't it? It's very much indebted to the sarcophagi of the Minoan period from about 1500 BC, 3,500 years ago. But this one is BT, before Thomas, our son, Thomas Cheek, who's going to be 32 next week. So there you go. It's a long time ago, even it's all relative, isn't it? Anyway, what happened was an interior magazine gave everybody a chest to decorate, and the sheer size of it reminded me of those sarcophagi. So I've mosaiced an octopus on it. At the time, it was the biggest thing that I'd mosaiced. And I had a bee in my bonnet about everything being quarter tiles, 1 by 1 centimetre tesserae. So I think I'd read that somewhere, so it took forever. And I think the reason people like the octopus was whatever the form, whatever the size and shape of the form, you can make the tentacles and the legs fit. And of course some legs can be bigger than others, and that would look like it would in real life underwater with the perspective. So there we go. Oh my goodness, brings back memories. I wonder what's in it. Hang on a minute. Oh wow, I wondered what happened to that. I've been looking for that for 40 years.